Before Amanda Seyfried was a red carpet regular in Balenciaga and Rodarte, she was accidentally flashing her underwear at premieres. Back in 2004, Seyfried hit the New York City premiere of Mean Girls in a sleeveless black and white spotted midi dress that should have been a safe choice, except for the fact that it was completely sheer, leaving her white bra and black underwear on full display for every camera in the room. Talk about a fashion blunder. Her reasoning, though, makes a lot of sense. In an appearance on Jimmy Kimmel Live, she said, "I did not have a stylist. I didn't know any of the rules, so I was wearing a white bra and black underwear and no slip. On top of that, she was completely broke and left to buy her own premiere dress out of pocket. 2 of them, in fact, one for each event." These days, thankfully, Seyfried has some extra help. Stylist Elizabeth Stewart, who has totally transformed the star's look. Speaking to Harper's Bazaar in 2022, the actress praised her longtime collaborator, saying, "Elizabeth is so savvy. She is so amazing, and I trust her so much. She has these incredible relationships with designers, and she always finds the pieces that she knows I will like." The results speak for themselves. These days, the Mamma Mia and the Housemaid actor is gracing Vogue covers and walking red carpets in haute couture, a far cry from the $600 sheer dress with the wrong underwear. And while she does admit red carpets are still very brief and very frantic, at least now she has someone in her corner to make sure everything is flash-proof before stepping out.